Hola guys, buenos dias. My name is Glyza. I'm a master's student in Spain and at the same time a language assistant. And for today's video, I am going to explain to you the details kung paano ako nakapunta sa Espanya at kung gusto mo ring pumunta dito ay makinig ka lang at tapusin mo ang video for more information. So bale, in order for you to come here, you need to be a bachelor's degree graduate, di ba? Any course. At a-applyan mo lang yung tinatawag nilang Teach and Learn program under Instituto Franklin. So, bali, the application period is around like January until March. Yes, late na po. I'm so sorry. You can apply next year for sure. Tapos, ang program nito ay magra-run from September to July. So, gagraduate ka na ng July the following year. There are different kinds of masters na pwede mong piliin. Pero yung pinili ko is yung Master de Formación Permanente in Teaching. Bale, parang Masters in Teaching lang siya. Bale, every Friday, mag-aaral ka sa Universidad de Alcalá, one of the oldest university here in Madrid. Every Friday from 3:30 to 8:30 p.m. Tapos, from Monday to Thursday, language assistant ka din sa isang public school or private school. Kasi may options ka to choose kung anong pipiliin mo. And ano pa ba? If you want more information about the program, guys, don't hesitate to comment down below and I will try my best to answer all your questions. At sa susunod na mga videos ko, malalaman natin. Adios!